But because I'm very impatient, I keep looking at them every day. I don't know where are the names anymore. I don't know what are they anymore. It's so beautiful today. The sun. So, 2 weeks ago, I planted potatoes here and I cannot find any. I think I did one or two of them. Oh, there it is. Here's one that I've been seeing. And here's another one. Okay, I didn't see this one before. Yesterday actually. So there's two potatoes here. I wish I could have planted more, but I don't have any more seed potatoes. And this is my wheelbarrow. Oh wow, they're doing good. Look at the flowers. So pretty. Yeah. Let's go to my garden. There's my garden. This I put potatoes here. I cannot find. I found one. I dug them out. And I transferred on that container there. Anyway, here is my, I think this is my favorite bed. When I planted the plants, I put names. But because I'm very impatient, I keep looking at them every day. I don't know where are the names anymore. I don't know what are they anymore. But they're looking good after 2 weeks. That I put it one time this week. So these are the bigger tomatoes. This is also a tomato. Then I put some, I think I put that there, pepper. I don't know, some of them have the names. Okay, looking good here because there's the south part. The sun comes out here and it goes there, and in the afternoon there's a lot of sunlight there in that corner. That's why I like that corner there. Anyway, so here's the potato that I dug out from the spot there, and I put it in the big container. I'm thinking about getting a grow bag. So here, this bed did not do very good. I don't know why. So that's the potato there. That is the potato. This morning I saw the potatoes are coming out there. There are potatoes too. I think that is zucchini. I didn't do good with cucumber, so I planted that pepper there. I planted a new green onions. This is the radish. And I planted carrots. No, not carrots. Cilantro. I don't know anymore. So this is doing good too. I made that cage with chicken wire. So that's another one. I'm gonna put a cage too, and I'm gonna put a trellis to that. Yeah. Every night I put the kulambo, or the, what do you call it in English? Mosquito net. That is a mosquito net. Very handy, covering the plants. So that is zucchini also. Pepper. They're doing good. A little bit better than this one. So there's our radishes. I put some there in that spot. I don't know what it is. So this one is not doing good, the pepper. I think this is an, what is this, okra? Not doing. Oh, I already harvested little fruits. My husband said they are very good. So, those are peppers. I pruned the peppers. This is my rosemary plant. And I planted raspberries. This is I like too. So, I trimmed this. I trimmed this morning because the shadow is blocking the sun, to give the sun to these plants. Hey. Tomatoes. Radishes are doing good. They're doing good. I have celery, spinach, some carrots, more peppers there. Oh, here's another potatoes here. That is another potato. So I think this is string beans. I have to make put more water. Yeah, these are doing good. And that is it. That is the update for second week. After second week. Beautiful sun. Thanks for watching. I also put some in the big pot peppers. I think I'm gonna separate them when they grow older. Potatoes. I'm gonna put them in the garden. These are my spring beans. Little hanging plants. Oh, I have lettuce here. I don't know what happened. I don't even know.